welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay and you guys are watching 25 DIYs of Christmas. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's kind of hard to see right this second, but I did this board that has a saying from The Greatest Showman on it, and I absolutely loved it. And I took photos of it and thinking that that would be enough of a tutorial for you guys on Instagram, but the questions came a-coming. And so I figured I would take the opportunity to do another one since I found another really cool pegboard canvas, almost the same thing, but a smaller size. So we're gonna make that today and I'm super excited. We're gonna be using some Stencil vinyl that you can get at shopantitay.com, as well as Mod Podge, which you can get at any craft store or on Amazon. You can check out my Amazon store. And we're gonna be using some chalked up paint, which you can also get at my Amazon, not my Amazon, you can get it at shopantitay.com. And then some brushes and the board I got at Michael's. So let's get going. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna start with these cork boards that I absolutely don't recommend after I'm finished with this project and they have fallen off the wall. But use this technique for any cork boards out there. The painting, the stenciling, all of the things I'm about to show you work great. But these cork boards, they have given me a lot of hardship. They have fallen off my walls quite a few times, but the stencil and paint works perfect. So we're gonna reverse stencil right now. I actually cut words out of this. You just can't tell right now. And I'm using my transfer tape, my Auntie Tay transfer tape from shopantitay.com. And I'm gonna use my pin pen to pull out the letters. And because this was a board that was supposed to say designer, I thought I'd kind of get creative and do like a reverse stencil on the bottom and do kind of like a negative and positive type thing down in the corner, make it look pretty modern. But this board fell apart later. But this is how you do your Mod Podge method. So you're gonna take some Mod Podge and paint it into the negative space. I didn't do it on the other one. I just painted that bad boy up. And if you are a business member, you can see my behind the scenes videos and see why I'm doing all of these different colors and my team members and why they have different colors and how I coordinate them with my Google Calendar, all that boring business stuff. But for me, it's exciting because I totally geek out on it. All right, wow, that was a rant or a tangent. So now that my Mod Podge is dry, I'm gonna go in and paint all of the spots that I want to be the color. I really should have filmed the other boards. They turned out cuter. The yellow just kind of blended in a little bit with the cork, but it worked. It worked fine. So the key is you wanna pull your stencil vinyl off, not before it's completely dry, but not when it's totally wet. Because what it'll do if it's wet is it will bleed on other areas, and if it's too dry it may chip off. So then I pulled off the bottom. I wasn't too happy with it, but see, I don't know. But it worked out pretty good. So these are my boards and I like them, but if you want to do them like the one in my office, it worked out great on a canvas board. It'd work on a regular cork board as well, but I do not recommend these square cork boards.